So what I like to do is use the bottom one first, since it doesn't have no slope, it'll make it easier. I use the less than or equal sign to 3. Y equals 3 because I changed this just to get your y integer, which is right here. Then we have no slope, so we don't really have to put a slope in here, so we can already tell which is going to be our line, which is going to be this one. And then we're going to put a dot right there for the y3 is positive, so we put it on the top where the y line is. And then after that, we're going to do the other equation, which is going to be y less than or equal to x plus 3. So first, we already have our y integer right here, so we don't really need to do anything else for this. We already have it. And we also have to, this is going to be our y integer, since it's already there, and this is going to be our slope, which has a 1 in the front, just remember that. So 1x over 1, that's our slope. And over here we're going to go up 1 over 1, which is going to be right about there. Right about there, which we can tell which is going to be our second line right now. That's our second line. So then we're going to have to try to find where we have to shade it. So for this I'm going to plug in 0, 0, and let's see which one I plug in. You plug in a number, any number from the bottom or from the top, depending on which one you want to shade, which one so you can figure out which place you have to shade. So I used y, which is the equation, y less than or equal to x plus 3. For x I'm going to use 0, and for y I'm going to use 1. So we're going to have to plug in the 1 over here, and we're going to plug in the 0 on the x, and we can tell already that's going to be 1 is, you can tell that 1 is less than 3 or equal to 3, so you have to shade in the bottom where you found the right answer. Then we also have to do this for this equation right here. So we're going to do it up here. I plugged in 0 for the y, and that gives me the answer that's going to be in the bottom, because it is less than 3. So where it shades in from both sides is going to be right here. Right, so it's, yeah, right here. So the answer is region D. Oh, sorry, I was wrong about that. It's not going to be region D. It's going to be region C. Instead of D, it's not going to be D. It's going to be region C. Because, so we got it from the bottom, because we put the 0 right here. This is going to be, and this is the only place that is shaded by 2 spots, by the 2 other lines. So that's region C.